Hey, hi, I'm Kapil and I'm the younger son of Mr. Dhirendra Kumar. We are talking about Annakoot, and that is something which is very close to all our hearts. We've been serving people, serving hot piping food every day in and day out since 6.5 years. Annakoot is actually a huge word. It's actually when you do some God's prasadam, when you have some prayers at home or cook meals for God, serve God, that's called Annakoot. That's where we've derived that, okay, that we think that we are serving gods themselves. So we've derived this name and we've just kept it. We serve dal and rice. Earlier we used to serve pulav with pickles. We also serve pulav with pachdi even today. It's only on Sundays that we serve that. Otherwise, the entire week we serve dal and rice. It's piping hot. The rice is basmati. It's not an ordinary rice. What we eat at home, we serve the same rice to the people outside there. And along with rice and dal, we also have seasonal fruits that we distribute. Sometimes it's mangoes, sometimes it's apple, sometimes it's banana. So we keep distributing on and off these kind of fruits. We also distribute sweets like rasgullas, laddus, and different Mysore pak and different varieties and genres of sweets that we can come across.
I am the elder son of Mr. Dhirendra Kumar ji. My name is Prashant. Doing Annakoot is like it gives a sense of satisfaction that something good is being done every day by us, by our hands, by our involvement. And more often when you see school-going children, ladies, they come, they take, they eat over here, and what they eat, that brings a smile on their face, which really inspires us to do on time every day.
We thought that, okay, let's do something for the people. My mom had an idea that we should do something for the people, and suddenly, since we run a chain of restaurants, it was always an easy task for us to cook food there and serve people. So we thought, okay, at least the next day let us start this entire project and let's see if it works out well. We started it not by thinking that we'll continue it for 6.5 years. It's been 6.5 years that we've been doing it.
I'm the second daughter-in-law of this family. My father-in-law and my mother-in-law always taught us the concept of giving. They always said, don't keep your hand like that, keep your hand like that. So that's what I've learned from them, that the concept of giving is very important and satisfying.
Yes, I'm Dhirendra Kumar, a journalist. For the past 45 years, I'm running a Hindi paper from Bangalore, which is the first Hindi paper from South. It was started in 1970 on the birth anniversary of late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. When we serve the food, actually from the core of our heart, we feel very happy that at least one thing which we will take with us is that we have feeded poor, we have feeded the people who need food, because nobody nowadays dare to give time for feeding poor people. Because daily it is a very difficult task. Morning 11:45, wherever I am there, I come here, stand here and serve with my hands. Whenever by chance I am out of town or anything, my other family members are there who stand there and serve. We are having so many staff members, but we don't want them to come and see that people are fed. They personally supervise, they personally stand, and then only the food is served.
We are doing it from the bottom of our hearts, and we are doing it with a lot of passion. So we don't want any publicity to do it. But still, yeah, though we are not doing any publicity, but there are people who are walkers or who are just going across and seeing this event happening every single day. So I presume we get at least 2 knocks on our door every evening asking for the details of Annakut, and they also ask us whether they can contribute to Annakut. If somebody wants to contribute, they are always welcome to do so. Giving an amount is an easy task. Anybody can give any amount at any point in time, but we also insist that if somebody is willing to give an amount, whatever he wishes to, even if it's 10 rupees or 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees, so whatever he wishes to give, we insist that they should come and they should serve with their own hands, and that makes more sense because that's the satisfaction that is derived.